Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix watch video on YouTube error. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your phone setting. Tap on your phone setting. Scroll down little bit. You can find here apps. Tap on apps icon. Search here YouTube. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. You can see that more option. Tap on storage. You can see here two options there, clear data and clear gauge. Tap on clear gauge. After that, tap on clear data. Go back. Tap on your YouTube permission. Tap on allow all permission. Your YouTube all permission is success. Now go back your home screen. Go to your Play Store application. Tap on your Play Store. Now search here YouTube. Your YouTube apps is update now. Your apps is already updated and latest version. You can see that your YouTube is update successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.